Thematic investing is about putting your money into big global trends, like technology, sustainability, or healthcare, rather than sticking to traditional industry categories. Popular theme examples: AI and automation. Invest in companies like NVIDIA or AMD that develop robotics or AI software. Clean energy. Invest in solar energy firms like SolarEdge or ETFs like iShares. Global clean energy. HealthTech. Buy shares in companies innovating in medical tech or elderly care services. Who is it for? It's great for people who follow global trends and want to invest in something they believe in or understand. For example, if you're into electric vehicles, you might go with the EV theme. If you love digital tech, metaverse, or blockchain themes, could be a good fit. Ways to invest in themes. Thematic ETFs, like ARK Innovation ETF or Global X Robotics, and AI ETF. Individual stocks. Buy specific companies like Tesla if you believe in the EV trend. Things to watch out for. Investing in only one theme can be risky if that trend fades. Some themes may take years to deliver solid returns. Thematic investing is a great entry point for beginners who want to invest with purpose and direction. Start with a theme you understand and feel connected to, then gradually diversify across themes to manage risk. This way, your portfolio reflects your personal beliefs and the future you envision.